All right, so I just spent the whole morning trying to figure out why I've got hum, 120 hertz or 60 hertz hum coming out of my speakers. So I got online and looked up power amplifier hum and buzz, how to eliminate it. And I had like a 3-step process, and I did all that, and none of it worked. None of it worked. I still had this hum and buzz going on. And to make a long story short, I found out what the problem was. It was the gains on the equalizer were set on max. So this thing was throwing out all kinds of. When I started normalizing the potentiometers, the gain controls on everything, no more hum. So essentially it was just opening up too much volume, or just too much going on right here. So right now it's dead silent and no hum at all. I mean, it was driving me nuts. I was thinking, I got electrical problems, I got ground loops, I've got, inverters going on, solar chargers going on with my house electrical system. And it wasn't that. It was just the freaking gains. It was just set too high right here. So you turn this guy up right here. There's your hum. Turn it down. No more hum, and it still works perfectly. So there you have it. This doesn't make any, this Denon, this thing doesn't make any freaking sound. And to top things off, this was my original Behringer NX6000 amplifier, and I was using the wrong damn power cord. So I had an 18 gauge cord from another amplifier, and this requires a 14 AWG power cord. The new one came with a 14 AWG one, and I kind of scratched my head when I looked at it. Well, that one's thicker than that one, so there you have it. So now I've got two Behringer amplifiers running. This runs a sub. I got it on low pass filtering. I've got some filters for high pass for this to run the JBL monitors up here. I got this one working good, and I got one coming in on Tuesday because one came in dead, which I got to take down to FedEx today. So the high pass crossover switch on here absolutely sucks. The low pass is great, but the high pass doesn't start working until about 400 hertz. So I need something that goes down to about 100 hertz for crossover point. So I bought some of those XLR inline filters. So there you have it. There you have it. That's my system update. And I've got a speaker cable 12 gauge ready to go for the other speaker when I get it. Alright, hopefully this helps you out with any hum and buzz issues with your rack system. Thanks for watching.